Isidore Akaios served as a librarian of the Bloodravens chapter during the 41st millennium. Recruited from the world of Cyrene within the Aurelia subsector, this closest comrade of 3rd Captain Gabriel Angelos stood as a beacon of wisdom for his kindred for over 30 years of campaigning until the events of the Tartarus campaign. His homeworld destroyed via exterminatus by order of Captain Angelos, though Akaios agreed with his decision to purge the planet of corruption. Regardless, a bitter resentment began to fester within Isidore's heart. Taunted by the Alpha Legion sorcerer Sindri Mir, as the Third Company fought to secure the artifact known as the Maledictum from Tartarus, Akaios began to tread the path of damnation as his need to destroy the Thralls of Chaos overwhelmed his better judgment. Seizing the Maledictum, betraying his closest friend and the chapter to which he served, Isidore failed to harness its power to further his own ambitions, forfeiting the artifact to Sindri Mir. Dueling Gabriel Angelos during the Third Company's pursuit of the Alpha Legion, Isidore's pleading for mercy was ignored as Angelos cut down the traitor within his midst, using him as an example of the fate to which all betrayers of the Emperor shall inherit. The legacy of this son of Cyrene, nothing more than a traitor to the Imperium, brought low by the allure of chaos.